generator. I bought this one first, and then I bought this other one from a friend that he used it through the storm and sold it to me. So I ended up with these two little 2,000 watt generators, and this one is running my whole RV right now. And I wanted to show you it run my 13,500 air conditioner. Right now it's only on fan mode, but we're going to kick it in. And it's running my charging unit on my RV, which my batteries were pretty low, so that's running full tilt. And it's still got a little bit of room. So we'll put it back on economy mode. And let's go in and start the air conditioner. So all of my breakers are in the on position. Okay, so it's running all my lights, everything in here, and it's running my fan on low. Well, my fan might be on high. Yeah, the fan's on high. Let's put the fan back on low. Ah, the heck with it. Let's leave it on high. So now we've got it in the off mode. Let's turn it to cool. No, it's on cool. Okay. Let's lower the temperature. It's 65 in here, 68. Let's bring it down. And look, we're about to kick in the compressor. You ready? Let's see what the little generator will do when it kicks in. Come on. There we go. It started the air conditioner with everything running, okay? It went into overload for a couple seconds and it came right back out, okay? Now, it is running my air conditioner, but you can hear it just kicked in. I don't know if you can hear the compressor purring. It's still blowing. So now we've turned it down. We got the AC on. Put it down to 61. I don't know what's up on my focus here. There we go. Anyway, so it is running my charging unit. No. If I kick off everything except my air conditioner, hear the load go down on the generator? Okay, that's only my air conditioner and my main switch. So it's running my air conditioner on high, and whenever I do turn on this, notice it get brighter? It handles everything. Now, that's air conditioned, fan on high. Let's turn the fan on low. Oh, here there, it generator even came down lower. So it's not running at full tilt, okay? The little Generac there, what is wrong with my focus here? The Generac won't run it at all. I'm going to attempt to turn on my refrigerator. We'll see what happens. See if that throws it into overload. What's wrong with my focus on here, guys? The reason it's a little bit louder is because I'm in an enclosed shed. Well, it's got one end open, okay? So now it's running my air conditioner. It's running my refrigerator. Okay, so it might not have been running the air conditioner. I don't know. We'll turn that back off. So yeah, it might not have been running my refrigerator. But it's getting nice and cold. Temperature's dropping in here. Look, it's 65 degrees. Something's up with my focus, guys. But anyway, the little Pulsar generator is super impressive. It will start in the eco mode with everything on.